Dun, 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 dun. Here we go, the crew.
Captain.
We are sailing. We gotta sing.
We are sailing home again.
Yeah.
No, not home. We don't want to go home. Away from
We're
home.
gliding.
Isn't it peaceful?
Yes.
Oh, it is.
It just makes you want to talk and talk and talk, doesn't
It's
it?
lovely, isn't it?
It is
There's
peaceful.
nothing in the background there to just, you know.
Yeah.
No, I'm bugging you. Lovely. Relax. Relax.
There we go. Look at that.
Look at that.
Gorgeous. Look at that
Comments? It's hard when the camera's in
What's
your...
there here?
Blow.
There you go, now we've got some wind. Is that better?
Yeah, absolutely. Beauty.
Is that better in there, Juliet? Found some...
That's pretty bucket.
Look over here, here. Holding this tiller.
You'd rather be out steering, right?
No, I'm good. It's nice. This is the life.
Look at that.
It's not bad, eh?
We're cruising.
What's over in the distance that way?
Over there you got Amori, Pukawa, Takano, Turangi's in there. Yeah. Motuapa, Oruatua, Turangi Taupo, no, Tauranga Taupo. All that way.
It's quite big, eh? Is this lake bigger than Waikato?
Oh yeah. You don't actually have to go sailing to get chocolate, but it helps.
Yeah. Tanya can grab it.
I'm here.
Come and get your coffee.
Hey Juliet, you look like a little hobbit coming out of your house.
Barrow. This lake just called Lake Taupo.
Yes,
Taupo.
Taupo. Apparently, when I grew up, it was Taupo.
Yeah, it's Taupo.
Lake Taupo. And it used to be called Tahara. Now it's Tauhara.
Pronunciation.
And it's all changed. We are sailing.
Oh, he must be getting bored.
We are sailing. Come on, chorus. La, 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 la. La, la, la. I don't know the words.